because there's really only about 3 differences from this in the regular RS660, and some of you may say, hey, I don't really need that. Really, there's only 3 differences. 3 differences. I know you'll sense the excitement today, but here's the reason why we're here. The 2027 Aprilia RS660 Factory. I said that right, a 27 model. Stay with me. We're fixing to ride it. This thing is freaking gorgeous. I love that extra screen they put on it. Stay with me. Here we go. The first thing we'll do is turn the key on, and it's right here. You'll fire up that beautiful 5-inch TFT, and I do have it in time attack mode. Make sure I'm getting that. I don't know if it will show the speedometer, but it is a different speedometer and tack layout than the road mode. And this does have user modes. All this is adjustable. Your mode button's over here. Let me explain to you what makes this bike so special. And I'll be honest with you, there's another one in there. And anyways, let's give a huge shout out to Plano, Kawasaki, Suzuki, Aprilia, MotoGP. They're here in Plano, Texas. Make sure, yep, that angle's good. This has got that awesome riding position. It's not as aggressive as the ZX6. It's a little bit more relaxed, but it is a super stud feeling. And I'll show you that picture of what's coming up here on Saturday. It's been raining here in Dallas, Texas, so it's been a little bit harder to make videos. This does have the Brembo 320 millimeter rotors on the front and the calipers, the 220 millimeter rotor on the back. And let me just pull over real quick and show you why. And I'm going to make this super quick because there's really only about 3 differences from this in the regular RS660. And some of you may say, hey, I don't really need that. But let me jump off, and I'm going to show you, and I'm going to show you Aprilia's graphic on it. We'll jump off here. Really, there's only 3 differences. 3 differences, and what they are the 43 millimeter Öhlins front forks that are totally adjustable, rebound, compression, and dampening, and that Öhlins rear shock. This Aprilia stuff is super exotic. It does come with a 2-year warranty. It has the quickshifter up and down. There's those huge 320 millimeter rotors, and I know I said less than 2 minutes, I believe. It's got those Rosso Diablo 4 tires on it. The back one's 180 55 by 17. The front one's 120 70 by 17. Got the super sticky rubber. Let's jump back on it because I said less than 2 minutes. I don't want to lie to you. This is a twin cylinder, and it does have that gorgeous biplane sound. And I tell you what, Plano, Kawasaki, Suzuki, Aprilia, they read all the comments. So if you like these kind of videos, give a thumbs up. And we will do that other video. This was heat cycled. But man, those Rosso 4s, super sticky. This makes 105 horsepower. I ain't even got my mirror adjusted. We better fix that a little bit. I don't have a plate on the back. Woo! We're in time attack mode. Everything. Let me show you something that I really like about these. This is the most comfortable 600 that you're going to be able to find. One huge difference with this that no other 600 has is it is IMU. It does have a 6-axis IMU in it, so it's lean sensitive, braking, throttle, all that. The ZX6 does not have that, and I did do a video on the ZX6. I'll tell you what, the next video I'm going to do is the Aprilia Tuono 660 Factory, and it's one of my most, matter of fact, it is my favorite bike of 26, but I will have the 27 model. And one difference between this And the Aprilia Tuono 27 model factory is the Tuono has the black frame, and I really like that. There's that quick shifter, and man, it is just butter. This is such a stud feeling bike. It does have the 43 millimeter Öhlins front suspension on it, and I don't know how the Italians get away with this factory pipe, how loud it is, but it's pretty loud. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's louder than other bikes for sure. I don't know how they pass EPA regulations, but they do, so we won't ask that question. But man, and also the menu on these are so easy to figure out. This is the only 600 that I know of with cruise control. That's in 5th gear, that's in top gear, and we're lugging it. Still got plenty of power. 105 horsepower. This thing does redline at, I believe it's 11.5. I can't see it in there, but I see 12 is red, which it makes so much torque down low. Man, that quickshifter Aprilia has gotten really, really good. And like I said, this does come with a 2-year warranty. Those Brembo brakes are flawless. You can set all this up in the menu. Let me pull over and show you how easy this menu is to get into. So we'll push the arrow button here. It'll take you in there. Riding modes. This being the factory does have some race modes, and I believe it's 2. It's got road race. We'll go to race and go over with that button. Aprilia engine management, engine brake, traction control, wheelie control, ABS, and that's in the time attack mode. You also have a challenge mode. We'll come back out of that. Let's go to road. Come back out. Everything is so easy with the up and down and the in button and the out. This does have cruise control. Let me remind you of that, which is super nice. User, let's go to user modes. There's that race 1, race 2, and then road. You can change your modes over here. Let's go out of that. Go back out. That's that challenge mode I was telling you about. There's that Aprilia traction control, and you can adjust it over here with these buttons. Up, we're hitting the up button. Everything is just super simple. That does have a lap timer on it. There's your engine temp, your clock, your mile per hour. This is probably the one that I would ride around in just because it's a little bit more custom. Now the suspension is not electronic, but the way these 600s are going and as sophisticated as stuff is going, I would imagine that maybe not next year, and this is a 27 model. So when the RS660 start hitting, you're looking at it. The only difference would be the suspension on the regular RS660. And I'm telling you, that's quite a bit of money just for the suspension upgrade. So if it's more than what you want to pay, turn that blinker on, hit that quick shifter, man, it's good. Woo! Y'all hear this thing? Push that blinker in. You can hear that intake just sucking that air. There's your kickstand. It'll show you if your kickstand's up or down. There's your lap timer. Let's go over here. Time attack. I've got the wheelie on that one. I had the wheelie control and the ABS off, so that would be more for the track. This would be something that you would buy really if you were going to take it to the track, I would think. But if you wanted the ultimate Aprilia 660, this is it. It only comes in that one color, and I'll put that graphic up to show you there are really only 3 differences, which I covered earlier in the video. But man, all this stuff is coming in at Plano, Kawasaki, Suzuki, Aprilia. And like I said, in the comments, please leave a thumbs up or a thank you, Plano Kawasaki, for allowing the videos. They're the biggest dealer here in the South for sure. They are a volume dealer. Sound like I've got somebody behind me. But we'll put it in neutral, super easy. Look at that front end. Woo! Is that thing not gorgeous? Turn that high beam on. That center light comes on. But hey, I know you really enjoyed it. Make sure you leave a comment. Make sure you're subscribed so you can see the 2 videos a week that come out. I'm always trying to get on the leading edge and get this stuff out to you the second these bikes arrive. I have not seen a 27 model on YouTube, but leave a comment. Hey, thanks for riding with me. God bless. This is one bad boy in this time attack color. We'll see you on the next one.